Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching accounts. Sign into the identical Apple ID on both devices because Messages syncs through your Apple account. Once done, enable iMessage on the iPad in Settings so it can send and receive. Make sure on your iPhone you open Settings Messages and check Send and Receive, confirm the phone number and emails you want a link. This step creates the identity the devices will share, and without it, the rest won't work. Next, configure the syncing features that route messages between devices. On your iPhone, go to Settings Messages Text Message Forwarding and allow the iPad. This forwards SMS. Then enable Messages in iCloud so conversations stay consistent across devices. While you're at it, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and have Bluetooth enabled. Continuity uses those links to hand off traffic fast. Finally, verify everything. Send an iMessage and a regular SMS to see both appear on the iPad. If they do, you're done. If not, update iOS on both devices and then sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. This refreshes syncing tokens. Restarting the iPhone and iPad and toggling iMessage off and on often clears lingering issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if SMS won't forward, confirm text message forwarding is allowed on the iPhone and that the carrier supports SMS forwarding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.